it essentially creates a framework, a dedicated framework with its own secretariat, which is going to be housed in the Food and Agriculture Organization in Rome. It's going to have its financing mechanisms. It's going to create a kind of a base for dissemination of knowledge. These are the things that one can do to take it to the next level rather than just talk about it. We've seen that done on the climate change front too. But as you just mentioned also, in spite of dedicated mechanisms, it actually requires political will to actually put money out there, resource them, and move forward. And as we see in the declaration again this year in the G20 declaration, it kind of it's clear that as some of the leaders also global South leaders have pointed out, the northern countries have not yet provided the sort of commitments, followed through on the sort of financing commitments that they should have. You know, at last year's G20, we were talking in terms of leveraging, expanding the balance sheet of the multilateral development banks, leveraging that more so that we can make those investments. And somewhere along the way, things have kind of petered out. There is movement, but it's not the movement and at the pace that one would require or desire. And that's just unfortunately the way it is. But one necessarily needs to keep moving forward and trying to make the best that one can do, because these challenges are overwhelming, particularly the climate challenge. But on the hunger and poverty front, it is a realizable goal. China has shown it, other countries have shown it. This is targeted, and every developing country will say that it is committed to it and will follow through on it if it does have the resources at hand.